standing outside the eastern portal of the new Caldecott Fourth Bore Tunnel, which is currently under construction between Orinda and Oakland. The primary purpose of the tunnel is to alleviate traffic congestion for motorists traveling in the off-peak direction. There will be 2 permanent tunnels dedicated to eastbound traffic and 2 tunnels permanently dedicated to westbound traffic, adding greater predictability to travel time. When the tunnel is completed in late 2013, it will be about 3,000 feet long with a 36-foot travelway. The travelway will include 2 12-foot lanes and a 10-foot shoulder with a 2-foot walkway. On August 8th of 2012, almost exactly 2 years from the time that we started excavation, we completed most of the excavation on the Caldecott Fourth Bore project. This means that we finished excavation on the top heading, which broke through in late 2011, and we broke through on the bottom portion, or the bench, in early August of 2012. After that, we completed work on a 375-meter invert under the bench in certain sections of the tunnel. And the purpose of that invert on the western side was to provide additional ground stability and support in areas of especially weak rock. And on the eastern side, the invert is designed to address groundswell issues that occur when clay soils under the Fourth Bore absorb water. We're in the process of completing the 7 cross passages between bores 3 and 4. The purpose of the cross passages is to provide additional safety for motorists. In the event of a serious incident in one of those 2 bores, motorists will be able to leave their cars and use one of the 7 cross passages to get to safety. The other thing that we were doing as we were completing excavation was actually doing a series of concrete pours or arch pours for the final lining. And this was done in several stages through a series of gantries, or really giant scaffolds that were placed along what looked like train tracks. And the first scaffold enabled tunnel workers to install a waterproof membrane. It basically resembles a giant raincoat, and it sort of serves the same purpose, which is to prevent groundwater seepage into the tunnel. Over the waterproof membrane, on a separate gantry system, tunnel workers hand-tied rebar. I believe there were 1.6 tons of rebar, of steel, to create this rebar cage. So the second scaffold is for rebar installation, and the third scaffold is, it contains the formwork for the concrete pours, and those were completed on October 22nd. Today is December 11th, 2012, and the Caldecott Fourth Bore is over 70% complete and on schedule to open to traffic in late 2013. I'm Ivy Morrison, Public Information Officer for the Caldecott Fourth Bore Project. Thank you for watching.